Here's exactly how I would invest $1,000 in 2025 in cryptocurrency. And no, I would not be buying Bitcoin. And no, I would not be buying Ethereum. In this video, I'm going to share with you my exact strategy that took me from $10,000 all the way to $200,000 and then turn that $200,000 all the way into 1.4 million. So I have experience in crypto. I've been in this industry for the last 8 years, and I have literally taken small amounts of money and turn it into millions with crypto. So I do have some experience here. Now, that being said, please understand I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't share with you exactly what's going to happen in the future. Nobody knows. Crypto trading is very risky. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. And everything in this video is not financial advice, rather just me sharing exactly what I've done to teach you what you should be looking for if you want to invest, let's say $1,000, $10,000 into crypto. Now, we're going to start with 1,000 because the reason why, I believe most of you, when you look at crypto, you probably have an extra $1,000 that you can invest and you can afford to lose that. If you don't, you shouldn't be investing. Not financial advice. But in my opinion, right, if you can't just look at the money and go, well, if it goes to zero, that sucks, but oh well, then you shouldn't be investing, okay? That's like rule number one. Rule number two, okay, is that what should you be focusing on then? Because you probably are asking yourself, well, I got the $1,000. Like, how do I actually win at this game? The first thing you want to be focused on is profitable cryptocurrency narratives. Like, where is the money flowing and going to? The reason you want to focus on this is because you don't want to be investing in cryptocurrency coins that don't have a lot of attention, that don't have a lot going for them, and don't have the potential to go up in value. Now, the way that I say this is because right now, there's millions of cryptocurrency coins out there. If you simply go to like CoinGecko, right, you can see here that it says there's 17,000 coins, but in reality now with Pump.fun and all these other meme coins, there's 17,000 being launched every single minute. So the reality is that you can't just go and buy some other random coin. You got to focus on what's working. So right now in 2024 into 2025, the most profitable cryptocurrency narratives have been AI, meme coins, RWA, Layer 1, DePIN, DeFi, and gaming has been struggling. So gaming has been struggling. Layer 2 has been in the negative. DeFi has been good. DePIN has been good. But the best have been AI and meme coins. And that's why here on this channel, I share with you new crypto projects. And a lot of them have been DeFi, gaming, these kind of narratives. Why? Because that's where the best results have been. On this channel, I am not biased towards what's going to do well or not. You can see here that I share a variety of different projects with you. But we are focused mainly on these cryptocurrencies at this time. Now, another thing that you want to focus on is slowly building to that maximum goal. And with $1,000, your first home run should be trying to get it to 10,000. Then you should be trying to take that 10,000 to 100,000, then 100,000 to a million. If you try to go from 1,000 to a million, it can happen. I'm not saying it can't. It's happened in crypto many of times for many of people, but it's extraordinarily risky. That the chances of it going to zero are probably 99.9%. That 0.1% is the time that it actually hits. So you can sit there and play that game, but if you only got $1,000 and it really means a lot to you, and you're trying to really make it in this game, I think slowly building up to making $1 million is more of the right approach. Now, 10x's happen in crypto all of the time. And you might say, do they or don't they? Well, XRP on the year is already up 300%. Virtual is up 28x. XDC is up 1,400%. That's a 14x. You can see a lot of these coins, Pepe is up 700%. We'll do this within a year, even within a month or so, even within a week, or sometimes even a day. A lot of these coins will absolutely start flying. So to me, the possibility of going from 1,000 to 10,000, it's right on the table here in crypto. If you play around enough, you actually focus on, the top trending narratives, you actually dig around a little bit, you pay attention, a 10x is very possible. And then from there, 10,000 to 100,000 is just another 10x away. Again, that's very possible. The reason I know this is because this is exactly what I did 5 years ago and 4 years ago. And you can see here is what I've been teaching all of my students. And the reason why I focus on what I focus on is because I have the proof. Okay, I took $10,000 and within a matter of minutes, it turned into $500,000. Then the chart plummeted. And for over the next week, it started to rise again. And that's where I said, all right, I'm taking the money here because this is just way too volatile, way too risky. And then from there, I'm going to go diversify into other coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, so far and so forth. But with $1,000, I'm not doing that. The reason why is because if I were to buy Bitcoin today, let's say in 5 years, it goes to $1 million best case scenario. You've only really 10x your money. Let's say Ethereum, best case scenario, does a 10x. Best case scenario for some of these other coins, 10x's. That's in 5 years. Again, you can get that in crypto within a matter of hours. So while the risk is certainly there, with a smaller amount of money, I'm willing to take that risk. Where most people, they just don't want to take the risk, and that's fine. But for me, it's small enough money to do it. Now, if you got $100,000, then you shouldn't be throwing it all into a brand new coin. That's just too risky. It's too big of an amount of money, in my opinion. This is where the diversification comes in. So again, for this video, we're not going to talk about that, but I need you to understand the psychology of what we're doing here. So that's our $1,000. Now, what is our focus then? We're only going to be focusing on new crypto coins and launches. Now, you might say to yourself, well, it's high risk, high reward. Exactly. But that's where the opportunity is. And I've seen this happen many, many times in crypto. And there's a variety of different ways that you can find these cryptocurrency coins, because you're probably wondering, well, Joe, that's great, but there's new coins launching all the time. How do you find the good ones or the bad ones? Look, I ain't gonna lie to you. It's difficult, right? But if you study and you learn and you use resources like CryptoRank.io, here's where you can see launchpads and IDO platforms ranked by current ROI. This is why I share projects like AI Tech, ChainGPT, who we're ambassadors with, Decubate, who we're ambassadors with, all these different incubators and launchpads, because this is where you can see they give you crazy ROIs. PancakeSwap, right, has an ROI of 16x, of 5x of the current ROI standing, just by blindly investing in all their new projects. ChainGPT is over 1x. It did a 10x for all their projects at the all-time highs. So again, if you keep learning and understanding that these new projects is where all the money's made, this is what I focus on, and this is why I focus on it. Also, you don't need to invest tens of thousands of dollars to get into a lot of these new cryptocurrency projects. You can invest $10, you can invest $100, but learning the process to this and seeing the results is where the fun is at. And in a real bull market, this is where 100 to even 1000x happens. And you can see this by going to CryptoRank.io, and you can also go to CoinGecko. And you can scroll down and look at Sui. Sui started at 3 cents. 3 cents is where Sui started. It's at $3. That's 100x. You can also scroll down and see other coins like Polygon Matic, which has come down the list here. But Polygon Matic, right, in the last cycle went absolutely crazy. So to me, there's going to be a lot more cryptocurrency coins on this list that makes the top 100 that do these 100x's. Hyperliquid is another one that's already up almost approximately 10x from when it launched to the public market. That's up way more from pre-sale prices. So to me, that's where you should be focusing. Another place that you can focus is something like Pump.fun. You can see here that there's all these new cryptocurrencies literally launching within the matter of minutes here. Now, 99.9% of these are going to go to zero. But if you find one or two of these, this is where, like, oh my gosh, you can make an absolute killing finding that first and next coin that goes absolutely crazy with meme coins. Why? Because as you look at here, meme coins, some of the top percentage gains. Right now in 2025, the market doesn't care about utility. The market doesn't care about the next big thing in crypto. It cares about the price going up. That's why meme coins and AI have been so, profitable for investors. So another place to come to is Dex Screener. Here on Dex Screener, you can sort by volume, you can sort by a bunch of other cryptocurrency coins, and you can see the coins that are trending and what they're going for. Official Trump coin, this one's got tons of liquidity, went absolutely crazy, and we ended up buying this cryptocurrency coin when it actually launched. You can see here, and why I made this video, I bought Trump coin at $20.50. I'm buying more Trump coin when this happens. So again, if you watch both of these videos that did very, very well, you would have been in profit. You would have tripled your money, because Trump coin, if you look at the chart, now it's down a ton. But when we bought it right here at this candle, at the bottom of this candle. We literally bought it right at $20, okay? The next day, it went up 300%. So to me, if you're able to time and catch these moves, this is where you can do very well for yourself. So Pump Fun, Dex Screener, new launches, where else can you go to look? Look different Twitter accounts. Here's just an example of one that has over 100,000 followers, Gem Detector. You can scroll down and look at all the different coins that they're talking about, the different charts. There's a million different places for you to go find these coins. Also, make sure to follow me over on my X account. Why? Because I share with you new projects, new updates, and new things here, new launches, new coins that are doing well, and why they're doing well. So the influencers are great people to follow because they give you the new cryptocurrency coins. And they also, if they don't, they talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and that's fine too, because that's good for knowing whether the market's bullish or bearish. But to me, for $1,000 right now, that's the ultimate strategy. And to take it to $1 million is a possibility. I'm not saying it's a likely scenario, but I am saying that there is a percentage chance where this ends up happening. The reason why I know this is because I've done it myself. So if you want to learn with me, I have my program, How I Made $200,000 in 1 week Trading Crypto. It teaches you even more in depth, like multiple steps, multiple things to look for, how to be the smart money, how to position yourself so that you're not just scrambling around, wasting literally thousands of dollars just trying to go at it alone, because that's how I started. I started at this alone. I had no idea what I was doing, and it cost me millions. If I would have known what I was doing literally in the last 10 years ago, I would be literally retired for life. Today, at the time of this recording, there's an opportunity for you to be in the same position where you can retire from life using cryptocurrency. But again, you got to study, you got to learn. And it's crazy to me that people will not spend a couple $100s to join a program in a course. They'll try to take their $1,000 and go at it alone and lose it all. It's like, imagine getting the education from somebody who's a 7-figure entrepreneur and earner, as well as a 7-figure cryptocurrency investor, teaching you exactly what they've done step by step. And also, many of my students have already done extraordinarily well, proving to you that this works, right? Like, I'm not just sharing this with you to go, yeah, this is, a great idea. Like, no, this works. And it's worked before, not only for me, but for many of my other students. So I know what I'm teaching works. That's why I have so much confidence in this. And it works extraordinarily well when the market goes absolutely ballistic. And I believe that the market hasn't even gone ballistic yet. So if you're interested in learning even more about how to take $1,000 and turn it into life-changing money with crypto, click the links down below, join us in VIP, and thanks again for watching today's video.